Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to connect Freshsales to Outlook? This guide will help you to synchronize your emails and calendar events between Freshsales and Outlook, enhance your productivity. So guys, let's connect Freshsales with Outlook right now. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, you will need to go to freshworks.com and go ahead and sign up for free. After you do so, you can sign up with email or simply just do it with Gmail accounts. Let's do this real quick, and here I'm gonna choose, for example, this, that, and try for free. And just like that, I will be able to actually get the access to my account so very easily without any problems. Thank you for signing up. That is perfect. So accept all, and now what we should do next is basically answer and finish a couple of questions right here. So let's go, for example, internet, business service. Let's go with this one. Next, track sales pipelines, and then get started. And just like that, we have created our account in Freshsales. Now, how can we add any integrations? Well, here on the left side, we'll have admin settings where you can find apps and integrations. Normally here we'll find a couple of things. Go to marketplace apps, as you can see right here, and they will take you in this area. Now in our video here, we would like to connect it with Outlook. So we simply have to search for Outlook in here, and that's gonna be pretty simple. So let's wait for it to load for us. It can take a little bit of time, depending on your internet, depending on the data that you're doing, or whatever else. So let's go here and search for Outlook. And as you can see, we simply have to click right here, click on configure, and now to synchronize your calendar and email, it's like that. So now synchronize your contacts, synchronize your Outlook contracts. So let's go with Outlook contacts, and here they will take you to your Microsoft accounts. You simply have to log in, and just like that, your account will be connected with Outlook. It's simple as that, and you will now be able to connect Freshsales with your Outlook account. Now let's talk about the uses of Freshsales Outlook add-on and how can it be done. With Freshsales Outlook add-in, users can access information about their Freshsales leads contacts from within Outlook. Whenever an email is opened, the add-in brings up information about relevant leads contacts on the side panel, thereby enabling users to gain context about their prospects before engaging with them. This is a picture that explains it. This is the name of the lead contact. These are summary. This is like the designation and company name, record owner's name, worker mobile number, etc., recent activities, and recent notes. So here we have also, like, for example, in case you would like to go to there, you simply have to go into your Outlook web, click on the app launcher icon on the top left corner of your window, click add-ins. This brings up the Outlook store overlay, enter Freshsales in the inbox, and basically you will be able to get it now and download it. Now this is like how to download it from the Outlook side, not from the Freshsales side. Now once the installation is complete, you can find the Freshsales logo whenever an email is opened, just like that. So you can click on it, and basically to connect your Freshsales account with the add-in, open an email, click the Freshsales icon. This opens a side panel when you will be asked to provide your Freshsales account credentials. Enter the Freshsales CRM domain name and click proceed. This will take you to a new page where you will be having to authenticate access to your Outlook account. Upon login, you will be taken back to your Outlook. The Freshsales add-in will fetch information related to the lead contact. If the email recipient is a lead or contact in your Freshsales account, if the email is not a part of Freshsales, you can add it to Freshsales by clicking Add Lead or Add Contact button. Note, if Outlook add-in doesn't log in, refresh the Outlook tab once and you will be logged in. What can I do with the Outlook add-in? Note, for the Outlook add-in, to show information about a lead contact, an email should be opened. Now, the Outlook add-in allows you to do the following. First, create a new lead contact. Open an email from the prospect you would like to add as a lead contact. Your add-in will present you with the option to add the prospect as a lead or a contact to your Freshsales account. Second, get information about your lead or contact within Outlook. Know more about the lead contact so you can open any email. Click the Freshsales add-in. The add-in opens with the informational event to the prospect if they are present in Freshsales. Find concise information related to this prospect on the add-in. To know more about the contact, click View Freshsales so it opens the contact in Freshsales. Note, if more than one record is created for an email address, then you will be presented with a message duplicates found. Clicking on this will show all records created under the same email address. Third, search for Freshsales lead contacts within Outlook. Open an email, click the Freshsales add-in, click the icon. You will be presented with a drop down, click on search, and basically the search option will be presented with a search bar where you can search for a lead contact present in your Freshsales CRM. Then click on the name of the lead contact. A column with all relevant information will open up. Select option, you will be able to add activities. Click on Add Activity to add a new activity. Choose from the list of task appointments, follows up, call, reminds, and custom sales activities. Fill other details related to the activity and click on Save. To view all the activities associated with the lead contact, click the View All button. This opens a new window where all activities associated with the record will be displayed. You can edit an activity by clicking on the relevant activity. As you can see, this is like a picture that explains it. Fifth thing is adding notes. Click the Add Notes button to create and save a new note. You can also access pre-existing notes by clicking the View All button. So this is like the fifth option, so now we are on sixth option. So add tags. Click and add on Add Tags. So as you can see here, you can click right here, and you can add multiple tags to the record. Then click on Save. As you can see, this is the click Save button. So this is basically how you can use the Outlook for your Freshsales. There are 6 different ways, and you can literally do even more than these. Make sure to read this article in case you had anything in mind. You could click on Ctrl F and search exactly for the keyword that you want, and basically you might find the answer for the problem or the thing that you want a solution for. And this is pretty much it. The connection between Freshsales and Outlook can be done in both ways. You can connect Freshsales either with Outlook from Freshsales account, or you have to go to the Outlook account, which is explained in this article. Click on these icons right here, the 6 squares here icon, and go to apps, and you will be able to search for an app, search for Freshsales, and you'll be able to install it. Then connect to your account on Freshsales. You just put your credentials in your domain, and that will be pretty much it. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, make sure to drop them down in the comment section. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.